If you are using your mobile phone, just open your Google browser, go to the search bar, tap on the search bar, go ahead and type studio.youtube.com and click on search. Just wait, it's loading. As you can see, it has taken you to your YouTube studio. This is where you're going to do your channel settings, okay? Before you go ahead to do the settings, make sure that it opens the particular channel you want to do the settings in case you have more than one channel. How you will know is to check this particular place where you see the profile picture, okay? If that is the YouTube channel profile picture that you want to do the settings, then it's okay. But if it is not, then click on that profile picture. It will take you to this particular dashboard. You are going to see your channel, then you will see switch account here. So if that is not the channel that you want to do the settings, then click on switch account. When you click on switch account, it will take you to all the YouTube channel that you have. Go ahead and select the particular channel you want to do the settings on, okay? After selecting the channel, you will come down at the bottom, the left hand side. You are going to see this settings icon at the left hand side. Go ahead and click on this settings icon and it will take you to settings. If you are using laptop, just open youtube.com. Then come to this particular place, this right hand side. You are going to see your YouTube profile picture here. Click on it and you will see YouTube Studio here. Click on YouTube Studio. Then go to your left hand side here, scroll down and you're going to see settings here. Click on settings. When you click on settings, the first thing you see here is the general settings. For general settings, you are going to see the default currency, which is USD. Leave it like this. Don't touch anything here. Then click on channel. When you click on channel, you're going to see the basic info here. What they request of you is your channel keywords. What they mean by channel keywords, these are related keywords you can use to optimize your channel. In case you don't know what your channel keyword is, you can simply go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you keywords for your channel. For example, let's just go to ChatGPT right away. Just open ChatGPT. Let's assume that your own channel is on cooking. Okay, so I'll just type here for ChatGPT to give me 20 channel keywords for YouTube channel on cooking niche, and I will search. ChatGPT has given me 20 keywords. Okay, this is quick and easy recipe, healthy cooking tips, budget-friendly meals, and all that. So you see, all these keywords are what you are going to use. If your own channel is not on cooking, maybe it's on storytelling, you also write the same thing. Just use this prompt, but here where cooking is, you change it to storytelling and ChatGPT will give you all the keywords. If yours is not also on storytelling and maybe it is on news, just Nigerian news, then you change here to Nigerian news. If your channel is on celebrity gist or gossip, then change it here and ChatGPT will give you all that you want. So when you get it now, you just copy and you come over to your studio to enter them. When you enter the first one, just put a comma and it will enter like this. The maximum words you can put is 500, okay? So that is for basic info. After basic, go ahead and click on advanced settings. When you click on advanced settings, you are going to see audience here. The next thing they will ask you is if your channel is meant for kids or not. So my own channel is not meant for kids and you are going to check here, no, that this channel has not made for kids. I never upload content that is made for kids, okay? So that's what you will do. If you're, except maybe your channel is for children, before you can say it's meant for kids. Otherwise, say it's not meant for kids, okay? Then scroll down, then just scroll down and you are going to see this. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. This is automatic caption. You know, automatic caption make mistake at times. And sometimes it could take a word that is not supposed to be for another. So just check this box. Don't show potentially inappropriate words, okay? When you check that box, you scroll down. That is all you need to do there. And this is the last thing for the advanced settings. The next thing you will see here is feature eligibility. So now that you've finished advanced settings, click on feature eligibility and you will see this standard feature. After this standard feature, the next thing you see here is intermediate feature. For intermediate feature, when you enable it, it will allow you to upload videos that is more than 15 minutes. It will allow you to add custom thumbnail and it will also allow you to go for live streaming. Okay, how do you get started? You are going to click on this drop down button here. Yours could be eligible and not enabled. Mine is enabled because I have done it. So you are going to click on this drop down button, and when you click on this drop down button, what they will ask you to do is to verify your phone number. Right there, you're going to see a button that says verify phone number. Click on that verify phone number, enter your Nigerian phone number and click on verify. When you click on that verify phone number, Google is going to send you a 6-digit number and click on submit. Your phone number is going to be verified and this feature is going to be enabled. Then this one, you see advanced features. Don't bother yourself with this one. If you want to verify this one, they'll ask you to either submit your ID card or do a video, but you don't need to bother yourself with this one. When you have been on YouTube for about 2 months, they are going to enable it automatically. Okay, so after channel settings, the next thing you will see here is upload default. Click on upload default and here you can be able to add your video description. There are some things you can add here so that you will not be entering them every time you're uploading a video. Okay, so right here you can add maybe your contact information, that is your social media handles where they can connect with you. Okay, then if you have a course that is selling related to your niche, then you can add the course link there so that people can just click on it and go to buy the course. So that's the basic thing you need to add at the description here. Then you can scroll down right here that you see visibility. You can click or select public, and that is all for the basic info. Click on advanced settings. When you click on advanced settings, you will see YouTube license here. Just leave that license. Okay, then you are going to see language and caption certification. You are going to select video language here. You see the drop down button here. Click on it and you will see several languages here. Then you are going to see English. If your own channel is in English, then you see English language here. Go ahead and click on English language. For instance, okay, let me just click on US English. Just select US English and you are good to go. Then for this one, title and description language, just go ahead and click on English. So I've selected English there. Then scroll down and you see comments. For comments, leave it on. That means you are allowing people to comment on your video. Then here you will see show how many viewers like this video. Just leave it like this, and that is about advanced settings. The next thing you see here is permissions. Click on permissions. This is where you can add people to manage your YouTube channel for you. If you want to add people as a manager or moderator, then go ahead and click on this manage permission. But if you're not adding anybody yet, you don't need to do anything there. Okay, now the next thing you see here is community. Click on community and you will see automated filters. Just scroll down. You don't need to bother yourself much here. Just scroll down and you are going to see blocked words. There are some words that I don't want people to comment under my video. You can see word like scam, scam. Then there are so many other words that maybe if you see that people are using abusive words, you can put that particular abusive word as a blocked word here, and that word can never be seen at your comment section. Okay, then you are also going to see block links. Just check this box, block links, so that nobody can post any link at your comment section. So that's about community, and that's the last thing you are going to set there. After the settings, then come over here, down here you will see this save. Click on save, and with that your settings is saved. That is all you need to do there. If you have any question, please comment below and I will reply to your questions. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment.